what happens is when you're the only child in the family, the whole attention is towards you.
Yeah. I used to have imaginary
Yes, I've
siblings.
heard this story.
और
It's
कितने चाहिए
brilliant.
यार?
और वो भी 3. Though we
So-
have 3 toilets in our house.
Yeah.
Though we have 3 washrooms, 3 people are using the same washroom.
Yeah. You're a single child तो मतलब बहुत लाड किए
हाँ.
होंगे, हाँ? Which is true.
And we're very good at setting up boundaries.
Of course.
We're very good at respecting somebody's personal space. And I think we're very good at catching a vibe of somebody. You know that at the end of the day, it's coming back to you.
Coming back to see, with cousins, it's very different. You don't spend every day with them.
Loved being the only child. Loved being the one to have my own space.
Or the
Younger brother. I wanted
okay.
a younger brother.
Okay.
I was very clear.
Yeah.
Till 6th standard, I told my parents, I want an older brother. Figure it out.
कोई ऐसे कोई imaginary characters होते थे as a child,
Oh, 100%.
and both of them look alike to an extent.
Yeah, a lot of people have come and told us that we both
Yeah.
look really alike.
Wow.
But
I mean, the house feels so lively with that machad also, no?
No.
Yeah,
Depends
I
on
mean,
what that machad
yeah,
is.
it
Yeah, depends
on
upon
what
that, yeah.
it is. There is a notion that if you're a single child, मुझे शेयर करना आता नहीं है.
Ah.
तो it becomes a pain in the ass at times कि हर चीज मुझे ही करना है. मैं ही उठूं, मैं ही पानी लेके.
Second is obviously your parents are your parents. They're no one else's parents.
You don't have to share your
You don't have to share your parents.
It out.
See, I'm figuring out so many things about myself in this talk, that I never noticed.
So when either of us wanted our own space, it used to be that one swing at the veranda where you would get your own me time.
Tiny bits of handling parental conflicts to making food, or if mom or dad, either of them are sick, then taking their responsibility. It happens
And
that
also
way.
being involved in decision making is
Decision
something
making,
that's taught to us
absolutely.
very early
Very
on.
early.
And also I am somebody who can hang out with even a tree and have a very good time.
Have you ever noticed a single child is either super independent or emotionally overqualified for life? Today's topic is something people love judging but rarely understand. Single child syndrome.
Go on. और कुछ बात करनी है आपको?
And this is not theory today. This is live experiences that you're going to share.
अच्छा, okay.
So, Rohan, chalo. And we have Surbhi with us, my daughter-in-law, and also only child.
Yes.
Also, as in I'm also the only
You're-
child. That's
yeah,
why.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And today I'm going to just enjoy your talks. और जहाँ पे मुझे लगेगा, because I'm a middle child, so I have my problems. Okay, जो मैंने childhood में face किया है. So I'll share my problems as well.
We want to hear
Or
them.
problems, or if you, yeah, you
If
have
we
to.
let you speak.
Yeah,
that
no, but
is.
you have to.
The stage is set for
Yeah,
the
in the
only
last
child.
5-minute segment, we'll do that. No, I think being an only a single child, I think Surbhi was just mentioning to me that we should call it only child rather than single child. Why do you think it's that way?
I think one, if you look at what the word single means as a whole, a lot of the understanding of the word comes from the fact that you may not have parents, or
Okay,
you
okay.
are associated to being single when there is nothing else. It's just one. So it may come across as the fact that, oh, I'm an orphan. Is that why I'm referred to a single child?
Okay.
But again, I am not sure if this comes from a very serious place that I would be possibly discussing it right now. But the slang version of an only child is single child.
Okay.
So whatever
That's-
works for whoever is great.
Yeah. I think we can interchangeably use it
100%,
that
100%.
way. So many times people ask me that, oh, how was it being an only child or a single child growing up? And I have no answer to that. Do you have an answer to that, Surbhi?
Yeah, it was brilliant. I
See,
loved
bravo.
loved being the only child, loved being the one to have my own space. But also, I think being a single child is not just about the fact that कि मुझे सब आसानी से मिल जाता है,
हाँ.
बस मैं हूँ, सब मेरी सुनते हैं, मेरी चलती है.
हाँ.
It's really not like that actually.
Yeah,
There's a lot more to this that I think gets missed, or people don't read between the lines. But there is so much to a single child or a only child that you can add factor to in comparison to what when you have siblings. Life is very, very different.
Different, yeah. I second that actually, because growing up, you don't realize, in a good way, I'm saying, I'm not saying in a detrimental way, that you don't know what sharing is all about. So sharing is not always caring. What I personally feel is, many a times you have your own world, you have your own things, materialistic and other things, including having your own parents. And they're mine. Everything is mine. This space is mine. And you don't need to share that because it belongs to you. And that kind of advantage, only a single child, only an only child can understand. Right? So naturally what happens is, when you have a sibling, it is that universal thing, I don't know what, that sharing aspect comes into picture. Even if you don't want to share, the unsaid rule or unspoken rule of sharing comes into picture.
Yeah, because you don't have an option.
Yeah, you don't
Yeah.
have an option. So even if you don't like that, whereas when you're the only child, the whole world is about you. ये मेरा
You're
है,
the
ये
center of
मेरा पहले
attention.
से था, मेरा ही रहने वाला है. That kind of a
But
thing.
also, you know, having said that, there is a notion that if you're a single child, मुझे शेयर करना आता नहीं है.
Rightly said. Yeah.
But it's actually not that. One thing that I have noticed, not just in me, but also the people who I know are also only children, is that we're very good at taking care of other people. We're very good at being the negotiator or the mediator. You're very good at being vulnerable. You're very good at taking responsibility of not just you, but also other people. Because you learn to just trust, I think, yourself a little more than you would trust other people.
Right.
So you learn to go with your gut. You learn to have that conversation with yourself. You learn to build that certain kind of self-responsibility, which may not be the case if you have a sibling. But I also don't want to say कि अगर दो है तो life is this only कि आप share ही करोगे. There are people who might not want to share, and it's each to its own for sure.
Yeah. In fact, I also feel like sharing is a very human thing as well.
Right.
Although I did mention it is quite contradictory to what I said, that it becomes your whole world, everything. But I also want to put here that sharing is a very, very human thing. We share food. Whenever strangers meet me, naturally ask that, do you want to have a small bite or something like that. It's a very normal thing. And because you have been alone, what happens is आपका दिल थोड़ा और बड़ा हो जाता है कि चलो.
I agree.
Because in the sibling thing, what happens is you're so much in that thing that अरे सब share ही करना पड़ रहा है, तो मैं
कुछ
ना
तो मेरा
हो. Whereas this doesn't happen when you're alone. When you're alone, you know कि हाँ मेरा तो मेरा रहना ही वाला है. But now I'm a human also ना, तो थोड़ा share भी कर लेते हैं, मतलब किसी और के साथ.
और ऐसा
क्योंकि आज मैं तुम्हारे साथ share करूँ तो कल तुम नहीं होने वाले हो, तो कल मेरा ही होने वाला है. आज का दिन चलो ना, दे देता हूँ थोड़ा.
Wow.
No, but also I think people tend to forget कि हमारे माँ बाप हमें शेयर करना सिखाते हैं.
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं है कि 2 बच्चे हैं या 4 बच्चे हैं या 8, 5, 3 तो उन्हें ही सिखाया जाता है कि शेयरिंग क्या होता है, केयरिंग क्या होता है, कंपैशनेट बनना क्या होता है, एम्पैथी क्या होता है. These things are also taught to a child that's just one, because you also, I think, learn to, like I said, you learn to trust yourself, and you want to be a better person for yourself, and you tend to be very observant when you're just one person.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Whether it's a part of a conversation, whether you're watching a film, whether I'm sitting in a bus and looking bahar kya ho raha hai, you tend to, I think, be more self-aware. You're more used to being ke main hi hu, to how do I alternate these conversations in my head, or how do I change something in my head? What do I believe in? There is nobody telling me कि ऐसे करो, वैसे करो, ऐसे होना चाहिए, नहीं ये तुम मेरे साथ करो, या that is not there. It's just me. So I am, as a person, I think we tend to be more secure. But I don't mean this in a negative manner that if you have siblings, you're insecure. But I think we're just more, self-assurity is a lot higher when it's just one person.
100%. What you said is absolutely right. And I again, it comes down to that same point about space, because the whole space is yours.
Yeah.
Right? So that observation is more, and the opportunity to explore yourself is more, because when there is a sibling, there is some space which is shared.
Yeah.
So the opportunity to give whole time to your own self doesn't come into picture, because कुछ sacrifice करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा compromise करना पड़ता है, all of those things. But here, when everything is yours, you have so much of time and space and energy to do things for your own self, to explore for your own self. I think that, I don't know if I'm making it clear or not what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
but
I'm trying to understand. Probably you guys are only child, so probably ऐसा तुम लोग को लगता होगा कि अरे जो कुछ करना है मुझे ही करना है. So is that the reason you feel that you're more observant?
Observation.
कि कुछ भी
No,
होगा
I
तो
don't
मेरे
think
को
that's why it is like that.
No, to an extent, yes. Because if you see, for example, if there is an argument between parents, as a kid, we may not get involved, but when we're older, we may want to mediate the situation.
We have to, in a
Or
way.
we have to
Have
mediate
to,
the
yeah.
situation. Or if I'm looking at something, I realize that it's just me who has to figure this out. Whether
Yeah.
it's a problem, whether it's joy, whether it's sadness, whether it's any sort of a feeling, it's me versus everybody else.
Yeah.
There's nobody. The downside of, I think, this is that more than wanting to share, we really, really want to fill a void where we long for someone to come and hear us
Hear
out.
us out.
Actually.
True.
So a lot of the fact that I may not have that all the time where there is somebody to hear me out.
Yeah.
So
Or vent it out.
or
to
I
use it.
vent it out. So then I'm enough for myself. So which is why that assurity of कि हाँ मैं काफी हूँ and I'm whatever this is, I'm good with it.
But did you ever feel कि you should have had a sibling? नहीं तो कोई ऐसे कोई imaginary characters होते थे as a child?
Oh, 100%.
Character. So, yeah, man.
I wanted a sibling when it was for my use or for my benefit. Otherwise, I don't want anybody.
On rent.
On rental basis. On rental basis के अरे यार मम्मी पापा ने मना कर दिया. I wish there was somebody who could just get me out of this situation. या कोई बोल देता कि चल तुझे बाहर ड्राइव पे लेके जाता हूँ. You don't have that. You want to go for a walk, चल साथ में चलते हैं. Like
Yeah.
everything you have to do by yourself.
By yourself, yeah.
Like
Trip.
for example
Yeah.
now अगर मुझे Blinkit में कुछ ऑर्डर करना है, अब मेरे पास हैं 4 लोग जो मैं बोल सकती हूँ. तब अरे I have to go to the market and buy something. कोई जाएगा नहीं, मुझे ही जाना पड़ेगा. So everything is just I have to do it. There is nobody to
Yeah.
do anything for me. Of course parents होते हैं.
Yeah.
But also I don't think we as only kids or single children love depending on our parents for everything.
Everything. That's true.
कि मम्मी पापा ये करा दो, वो कर लो,
Yeah.
ये ऐसे figure out कर लो, help me. So that help me factor is very little. That quotient of me being clueless on how do I figure this out or how do I do this, how do I do that is not as much as what I would think that people tend to think that, oh, because you're a single child, you must be like this only. There is a very standard judgment that is
Yeah.
वो
passed.
होता है, वो होता है.
Yeah.
कि तुम तो ऐसे ही रहोगे या how does it matter you're so pampered, how does it matter
That
तेरी
pampered
ही
thing really hits me hard when people say, "अरे तुम you're a single child, तो मतलब बहुत लाड किए होंगे, हाँ?" Which is true. But
Yeah.
but it
Yeah.
also comes with its own consequences.
Yeah.
After a point, what happens is I was actually going to come to this point later, but अभी तो बात छेड़ी है तो I could go to it. What happens is when you're the only child in the family, the whole attention is towards you.
Yeah.
इसकी एजुकेशन इसको ना ये ट्यूशन लगाओ, इसको ये खाना दे दो. It starts from there.
They want to give you the best.
Yeah, and parents तक ठीक है सीमित, or till grandparents, all relatives, family, friends. Because if you come to my house, the whole topic is going to be only about me, not the other sibling, not the other person in the house.
Yeah.
Even if I may be
So you're the main
apparently
character.
the right person, but still वो होता है ना कि अरे इसको ये दे दो, इसको ये करो. Then comes marriage and career and all these things. So the whole focus is just on that one thing, one person.
and to
So it
cut
comes to that.
Rohan, we're always the main character.
Yeah.
Main character energy
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
Always. Always. And there is so much joy that we feel in spreading the main character
Main
energy.
character energy. I know.
Because it's always been like that.
Yeah.
But also having said that, I don't think it's easy for us, like it's no, it's not difficult for us to be on the sidelines.
Okay.
I feel immense joy when I see somebody else growing, or I feel that somebody else is doing really well. I won't feel insecure about the fact that अरे उनका अच्छा हो रहा है, मेरा क्यों नहीं? I had thoughts, I had done this, I had done that. मैंने अपने सपने, I have done everything on my shoulder. That I factor, even though we use it for our benefit or we
Yeah.
use it just for fun,
Yeah.
it doesn't harm us in a negative manner.
Yeah.
Because I have heard a lot of people come and say कि that I factor becomes very heavy at the end of
For
it.
only child thing?
A lot of people.
Why do people feel that way? No, I don't understand that. In fact, like I mentioned in the very first part of the podcast is that because you have your own space, you have that time and energy to think about someone else later. That also happens. You're very secured.
Yeah.
That's the reason. So I don't think it becomes very pompous.
And we're very good at setting up boundaries.
Of course.
We're very good at respecting somebody's personal space,
Yeah.
respecting our personal space. And I think for only kids, respect is of the highest value, and then there's everything else.
Correct.
Because affection, love, all of that, personally to me can only exist if there is respect.
Respect.
There has to be
Yeah,
mutual
yeah.
respect.
But I think this is also more viable to people who have siblings, because they respect that thing little more, I feel.
Yeah.
Because they might have gone through the phase of sharing and compromises and
But they're
everything,
not
so
good at
they're-
setting boundaries.
What do you
But,
mean by setting boundaries?
But as simple as like walking into somebody's room, something as simple as that, or as lame as an example, if I have to give.
Okay.
There is no understanding that this is my space. So you just have to understand that at a time
okay,
like
that
this,
way, you're right. Yeah.
at a time like this, I need my space, and you just have to give it to me.
Give it to me. Yeah.
And it
because
could
you
be,
value that.
Because
in the
I
first
value
place,
that. Yeah, I value my personal space. So if, for example, I'm in a bad mood, or if I'm not having a good day, I will not rely on 3 other people. Like I will not rely on my husband or my sister-in-law or my mother-in-law to feel good.
Yeah.
I will rely on myself.
Correct.
Because for me, that's enough. I need 10 minutes because I've done that all my life.
But same goes with me also. Like if I'm in a bad mood or something, I need my space for at least for some time. So I don't think it's a single child this thing. Even with my siblings, like if they're having a bad day or something, they want to be with themselves rather than being in a crowd.
No,
but
but
there
I-
is an option always for you to go and talk to somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You choose to not talk, you choose to be quiet about it and feel it and then discuss it later is another thing. With us, that was not even the option. That was not the case at all. Where in a crisis, कोई था ही नहीं कभी बात करने के लिए या सुनने के
No,
लिए.
what
But
she's saying is very deep actually. You need to actually think, because I can now slowly relate to what she's saying, because what happens is you study and value that space so much that you can feel that for others.
Yeah.
So you will not violate that space of others, even if the other person may not even know that this thing exists. That's how it is.
And speaking of thinking about others, I also think we tend to be slightly more empathetic as
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Because we understand privacy, we understand basic things that are very easy to understand because we've gone over it. We deal with situations in a certain way
Yeah.
where siblings may not deal with it in the same way because you have somebody to go to whenever you want.
Also, Surbhi, I feel like what happens is when there are siblings, if the parents have brought them up really well, there is always a splitting of responsibility to the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, tum ye kar lo, tum ye kar lo. In our case, what happens is, because I'm sure even my parents taught me to do everything from
Everything.
scratch.
100%.
Everything. So I know everything pertaining to household things.
And
So ऐसे नहीं कि हाँ अरे यार मुझे चावल लगाना नहीं आता, मुझे वो चपाती बनानी आती है. This thing doesn't happen.
and
because
speaking of
yeah.
that, there is no, how do you say it? That there are some jobs or some household chores you consider to be below you or
Yeah,
higher you.
yeah.
वो option ही नहीं है.
Yeah, कि
You
they
just
दिया
learn it.
younger sibling को हाँ तू कर. That doesn't happen. Yeah.
या कोई है नहीं बोलने के लिए कि अरे यार मैं इतना करूंगी तू बाकी कर ले फिर देख लेते हैं.
Yeah.
नहीं, you have to
I
do
think
all of
that's
it, so you
such a
tend to
valid point.
figure out.
Yeah.
That's where it makes you more independent.
Yeah.
Because ये है जो है ये है. Whether you do it laughing or you do it crying, you have to figure it out.
See, I'm figuring out so many things about myself in this talk, that I never noticed. See, I started driving when I was 18. So I had to take my grandparents, जो भी था. Now I realize if I had a elder sibling, तो they could have done that prior to me. तो वो चीज़ शायद मैं करता ही नहीं.
This is where I would like to introduce you to Rashnika Palnitkar, who's our forever passenger princess, who relies on Ridhima Palnitkar, Ritvik Palnitkar and Surbhi Ravishankar.
Yeah.
She's just like मेरे घर में लोग हैं,
लोग हैं जो
मैं
करते
बैठूंगी,
हैं. Yeah.
सब कर लेंगे मेरे लिए,
Yeah.
and it's a fact.
That's
And for me, when now after 32 years of age, in the last 3 years, I have been sharing a space with other people.
Yeah.
And it's not something that I found, yeah, it is hard because when you have to share a lot of things that you're so used to just being one person, and now it's into 3, into 4, there are a lot of things that make you feel like, oh, okay, there's a lot of things that I have to think differently now.
Yeah.
I can't only position myself
Yeah.
or only cater to myself. But also, having said that, it's not hard. I thought it would be very hard for me to understand that how am I supposed to share every possible thing. But then I actually realized that I really like doing it.
Because you can carve a way out for your independence also in
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
I think we become that smart enough that we know ki also coming to the advantages, many a times it so happens that if we go on a trek, if we go on a trip, whatever, we quite most of the time we don't like the company. कहीं भी जाएंगे, we don't like company. It's not always that you find good friends or good people to be around with. Just company के नाम के लिए company नहीं अच्छी लगती ना. But we still don't get bored because we have our own space.
Yeah. So we are like how it's, Kareena Kapoor's dialogue, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
I know how to entertain
It is the
myself.
case.
I know how to entertain myself. I love that own zone, my own zone. When I wanted to go backpacking around Europe, my parents couldn't come that time. So my dad was like, no, you go on yourself. No, try and figure it out. I was just 21. And I was trying to find out कि अरे किसके साथ जाऊँ यार? Because I had friends, but all were थकेलेस. Nobody wanted to come. Somebody was studying. Somebody ये वो. Then that thought came in my mind, I wish I had a sibling.
Yeah.
But I did on my own 21 days. I was all by myself, and that whole thing of being alone helped me because I know how to entertain and always to be on myself. That trip was a cakewalk for me. So you need not actually,
No, but I don't quite agree with that because there are, I mean, siblings wale bhi jo hai na, they also, but like my younger sister, she likes to go solo.
But that is for a break ना कि कोई आसपास
हाँ.
ना हो जाए इसलिए more like चलो
हाँ,
अभी तो
so-
मैं अकेली थोड़ी देर के लिए रहूंगी.
Yeah,
that way.
yeah.
It is
And even I like to go solo, but मेरा problem अलग है कि मैं रात को अकेली नहीं रह सकती हूँ. So that's my problem because
हाँ,
मैं
for
थोड़ी
us,
सी,
I don't think we have these. Actually, have के मतलब option ही नहीं
हाँ,
था.
I think that's
अब
also
अकेले
a
हो
point.
तो अकेले हो.
रात को अकेले सोना is also one point.
Yeah.
हाँ? We are so
Yeah.
used to that also.
Yeah, we're very used
Used to that
not
also.
like I used to. We used to stay in a 2 BHK in a government quartered apartment. So I would share my space with my grandmother, and my parents would have their
their own
space.
bedroom.
And the hall was the only common space, and we had this veranda. So when either of us wanted our own space, it used to be that one swing at the veranda where you would get your own me time or you get your own space. And younger, I used to be like, why do I have to share my room with my grandmother? Like she's 60 and I'm like 10 and I'm cool and I'm hip and I have to share a room with this old person who doesn't get anything and nothing is mine. But as in when for a single child, it's very easy for you to be with anybody.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
तुमने
I
रह
have
लिया
also-
ग्रैंडमदर के
yeah,
साथ, मदर के साथ, फादर
I've
के
also
साथ.
noticed that. Yeah.
या if I have friends coming over, it's very easy for me to be like, हाँ आपको ये करना है कर लो, आपको मेरे कपड़े चाहिए ले लो, आपको ये करना है वो कर लो, because you know that at the end of the day it's coming back to
Coming
you.
back to you.
It's yours, but you don't mind being that person who's like, yeah, my space is your space.
So that's a more like a privilege only, I think.
It is,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
also it's very. Also, we come from a place of privilege.
Yeah. What do you think? Like, see, we'll not talk just about the property thing and everything. So because people say, अरे हाँ सब जायदाद आपको मिलने वाली है.
बात तो सही है.
बात तो सही है. No, बात तो सही है तो बार-बार दोहराने की जरूरत भी नहीं है दोहराने की. But that's the thing. See, one is that obviously the property thing.
Yeah.
Second is obviously your parents are your parents. They're not no one else's parents.
You don't have to share your
You don't have to share your parents.
Yeah.
Of course, that's there. The wardrobe is yours. Everything is yours. That's all there.
And that's you also get to do one thing that siblings don't get to do is you get to parent your parents. Which I don't think siblings get to do. I can parent my parents.
Why? It's not the case with Rashnika
Oh
and
no.
Ritvik.
No, like Rashnika and Ritvik will critique her when necessary, will this thing. But there is always that one line कि मम्मी पापा है तो ये हम चीजें नहीं बोल सकते.
अच्छा.
And see, this may not be just a single child or an only child thing. It also comes from कि तुम्हारी परवरिश कैसे हुई है,
हाँ,
तुम कितनी comfortable हो मम्मी पापा से बात करते हुए. How
Correct,
have you been
correct.
raised? I was raised where I'm extremely inquisitive. तो ये यहाँ क्यों है, वो ऐसा क्या है,
हाँ.
ये क्या है, वो वहाँ से कहाँ से आया है, what does this mean, what does that mean, like even till date when she is explaining something, if she's explaining a tradition to me or she's talking to me about कि ये लड्डू को ऐसे ही बनाना है, I will have 700 questions. ये ऐसे क्यों बनाना है, बट ये ऐसे क्यों नहीं हो सकता, बट आई कैन फिगर आउट अ फास्टर थिंग बिकॉज आई हैव डन ऑल दीज थिंग्स.
Yeah.
I have asked myself these questions कि ऐसे किया तो क्या होगा. So we are very good at experimenting.
Ah.
This also I don't agree.
यही होता है ना जब it's a
नहीं,
single.
In your
Because
case,
you feel,
Ridhima,
हाँ.
it's you have an elder brother, right?
Yeah.
So your elder brother and younger sister are the elder and younger. You're the middle. You're the
Yeah,
single only child.
yeah.
In your
I
case.
used to
Technically, in some
have I used to have imaginary
Yes, I've
siblings.
heard this story.
और
It's
कितने चाहिए
brilliant.
यार?
और वो भी 3.
See?
Because I always felt that my mother is biased towards my brother, which is still the case.
This is also a point, the being biased
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
वो सब
Siblings
नहीं है.
feel that way, na? कि यार ना she's more biased towards my younger brother.
And
everything.
my sister, being the youngest one, उसके लिए भी
Ladli.
biased, ladli, yeah. So I always felt a little neglected, but I was my father's favorite.
हाँ.
Okay. तो वो अभी भी है, like my mom is still like, you know, her favorite child is my brother.
Like, you know-
And we always tease her.
But 1 minute, would you like to tell us the names of
Yeah.
No.
What Chintu Mintu ऐसे
अच्छा,
कुछ थे क्या?
Names of my imaginary
Yeah,
siblings.
the names of
Yeah.
our imaginary
Otherwise,
siblings?
funny.
otherwise, what are you going to ask? Which
No, I
names?
thought
Not the real ones. We won't name them. But
नहीं,
you
my
have to
imaginary-
listen to
yeah.
this.
हाँ, चलो.
There was this my brother called Kamdu.
What the hell?
From where that name?
Maybe you were
I
sitting on a
didn't-
commode that time.
Shut up.
Yuck. It's brilliant. Kamdu.
And then Dada and Tai. So Dada and Tai would be thoda conservative types, and this Kamdu will be like
so
me.
Kamdu is you. The middle child is Kamdu. I'm guessing.
And
because
you
Dada
are-
Tai. then-
Dada Tai, they were like.
And you're the youngest in the lot.
हाँ, उसमें मैं youngest थी. ऐसे.
क्या बात है? Nice, no?
Yeah. You didn't have any imaginary
I-
sibling?
Imaginary sibling. Nowadays, I feel like had I wanted a younger, not imaginary, I just wanted a younger brother whom I could protect or whatever. I don't know what to explain over here, but
Younger or the
younger brother.
younger?
I wanted
Okay.
a younger brother.
Okay.
I was very clear. Till 6th standard, I told my parents I want an older brother. Figure it out. And my parents had a very hard time explaining it to me कि ऐसे मैं सब्जी नहीं लेने जा रही हूँ कि वो लड़का आप आ जाओ मेरे घर आज, you are brother.
Yeah.
So I understood a little later कि अच्छा ये concept थोड़ा problematic है, ये
Problematic है.
ऐसे नहीं होता है कि तुम जाके भैया लेके आ
एक
जाओ.
बार, at least younger brother, you could have said that they could have thought about it.
Yeah.
But younger brother,
But I was very
elder,
clear. I
हाँ.
wanted an older brother, and I had a name for him. I wanted his name to be Karthik for some reason.
Oh.
I don't know why, but if I had an older brother, he would be called Karthik. And I wanted a sister who's either my age or just slightly about younger than me. Now, luckily, that has
Rashnika
gotten
is, yeah.
fulfilled with Rashnika, where I think now I have to feel like, yeah, I should cut back a little. The sibling thing is getting too much.
Too much.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही sharing हो रहा है.
Yeah,
इतना भी नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
But
Sometimes
it's nice. It's nice to have.
And that's
I have
cute sibling fights and all. You know?
Cute?
I
No
think-
way. I don't
Yeah,
think so.
they are. See, at times they are like
What is
very
cute in that? I don't realize.
No, they are cute
To a
at
parent,
times.
yes.
At times. Not
To a parent.
always. Yeah.
Not like for someone like Rohan or me, where we are not used to having entertaining fights or serious arguments about something very small or
Yeah, petty
ये
or
remote यहाँ क्यों
Yeah,
है?
like,
ये यहाँ से,
AC
पानी
का
लेके आओ.
remote, ये वो,
ये
what
वो.
nonsense, yeah.
Like so for me, these conversations are like अरे फटाफट जो भी करना है करो और आगे
करो
बढ़ो.
और आगे बढ़ो. You know, that reminds me, so I have two first cousins. They're both my sisters, okay? One is just 6 months younger to me. And the other one is 2000 born. So she's what, 5 years, around 4.5 years younger to me. They are real siblings and I am the first cousin. And we kind of grew up like siblings only. Although they stay in Pune, but they used to come here often and everything. And Sanika, my sister, she must be listening to it. She and I used to have a lot of fights. And she knew how to retaliate. I didn't know. Because she had that every day with her sister.
Yeah.
So I used to cry. Because I didn't know what fighting is all about. What ये बाल नोच लिए तो क्या करना है. I didn't know all these things here. And she used to be a pro at that. कि मेरा ड्रिंक ले लिया, ये ले लिया, चॉकलेट ले लिया, ये सब कुछ. So this is what happens, this remote thing and all. I don't understand it, so it's not cute. It's not
No, and
sweet.
then there's a cute fight about who's your favorite child.
What
You
is
know,
that?
Yeah,
and
that
I get
happens in our house.
I get sandwiched between the two, like, you know.
तो मेरे को पता कैसे चलेगा? रिद्धिमा would be like, मेरे को
Stop.
पता ही
अभी
नहीं
पता
चलता.
चलेगा
पता
तुम्हें, अभी
चलेगा.
पता चलेगा.
And there's this joke, okay? Then Rashnika will say, he's your lust child. I'm your love child.
बाप रे. Surbi, so where were we? Tell me. What
I
were
think
we?
I have lost track of
She knows that.
all of everything
No, but,
suddenly.
क्या
having,
ज़माना आ गया
but
है.
having said that, you know, they find that safe space in each other.
That's true.
Okay. And Ritvik is very protective about Rashnika. And Rashnika is also very protective about Ritvik. Though it's unsaid.
Hmm.
It's more through their actions.
Through
Supremely
actions, that is
unsaid
very
in the
important.
house.
Yeah.
But I would also like to add that Rashnika is far more possessive
Yeah.
about people in the house than Ritvik is.
That's true.
Okay.
Ritvik is also possessive, but he won't say that. And Rashnika,
He will not say it, he will not show it. But with Rashnika, you can, like, if you're getting in that corner, she can instantly finish you off because her possessiveness is so high on her radar, so that she's so well aware on how to fix a situation or how to deal with something, and she'll do it very smartly.
Yeah.
Ke ye, like, this is getting into my possessive zone. I know what to say and wrap it up.
That's also, I think, you learn when you have siblings. I think. these
So
are
जो
some things.
single child में होता है वो ऐसे भी होता है. Like single child में भी होता है ना, that possession and.
Oh yeah, I was very
Yeah.
possessive about
Yeah.
my parents.
Same here.
So see, similarly, it happens in.
And speaking about being possessive, did you have a sort of a security blanket in a non-living thing? Like, for example, did you have a favorite, like a pillow or
Yeah.
something that you needed to be around?
Honestly, Surbi, I always found comfort in what should I say? Things that are quite what's the word? I'm not getting it right now. Something that you can't touch.
Intangible.
Intangible.
Intangible. I got a lot of comfort in intangible things, like for
Like?
example dinosaurs or cars, and so I had a lot of cars growing
Cars
up.
you
Every
can't
boy
call
has cars while
intangible.
growing. No, I found a lot of comfort. Like I could talk to them. I could be with them. I could think about dinosaurs. You know, I had a blackboard back home. Like, so I used to pretend that I'm a teacher and
Yeah.
write on the board and write whatever I want on the board. I could talk to the board. So I found a lot of comfort in that, the security blanket.
And also, I think when it comes to shows or movies, we
Yeah.
tend to base everything on a particular character. Like,
Yeah.
did you have a absolute favorite character that channelized you as a kid? Because that's happened
Lots
to me.
Lots of them. I don't think there was one. I was more fixated on cartoons actually, growing up, and I think I had favorite characters in that I felt more comfortable with, or I just felt like, oh, why isn't this in real life? Like, why isn't this character
Yeah.
there beside me right
Yeah.
now? That
Yeah.
way I found
Yeah.
it. But all still, I feel like my childhood was great. I mean, people think that, "Arey, you missed out so much in life," and I say no.
Yeah, no.
I got a lot of things in life because I was
And
by
speaking
myself.
of feeling missed out, a lot of people think that because you're only one, you would have missed out. But my parents, and just speaking of who Surbhi Ravishankar is or how she was raised, my parents have put me in so many curricular activities. इतनी चीज़ों में मुझे डाल दिया था, and not out of के you should have something to do with your time. That you're just one. You need to figure out how you can be comfortable in spending time with yourself, which I don't think people are able to do now.
Oh,
Like,
absolutely.
we are very good at just spending time with ourselves.
Yeah.
Whether I want to do gardening, I want to listen to music, I want to
Yeah.
read a book, or I just want to lie down.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
need
yeah.
I don't need company for that.
Even sharing the toilet. That's also
Sharing the
something
bathroom,
important here. Yeah, that's also
Now
something.
it's an
yeah.
everyday fight in our house where we have like who'll go number one,
Yeah.
number two, number three quickly. Jiska bhi shit laga bhago. Now it's like that. But
Though we have 3 toilets in our house.
Yeah.
though we have 3 washrooms, 3 people are using the same washroom.
Yeah, yeah.
And there is a constant argument on that. No, I said I'll go first. My urgency is more. And then there are debates. And then my job is to take popcorn. And I'm like, go for it, and I'm just going to
yeah.
sit and watch.
I'm
this.
in my space though. ये इन लोग तीनों
Yeah,
का
yeah.
रहता है.
लोगों का.
she's not involved in this.
Yeah.
These are things that
And I
I'm
keep myself
involved in.
away from the.
But now that
I love it.
now that practically we don't have siblings, I mean, all 30 years of our life
Yeah.
we have lived alone. Do you think if you had a younger sibling, you could have been very protective about them?
Oh, I am. I would have been, and I am. Like, to this day, I have known Rashnika since, and I can only give her example because she's the only girl that I know who I have such a big age gap with
Yeah.
as a person.
Yeah.
And I have been hanging out with Ritvik or coming home and chilling with all of them since I was 17, 18. And Rashnika was probably in the 6th grade. One, because she was that tiny,
Yeah.
and I was much older to
Older,
her.
yeah.
There is this fixation ke, oh, there is another girl. That girl will help me dress up,
Oh,
will help me do this, will help me do that, will take me here. And you won't believe it. If she had a recording or she was busy and if Ritvik was not home, he was at work or in college, I would go with her for her parent-teacher meeting because somebody just has to be there.
Yeah.
So she never had a difficult time telling me that ye karna hai, can you come with me here, can you come with me there. But now there's a massive role reverse.
Yeah,
Role reverse.
yeah.
Where when I used to at one point make her wear a sari, do her makeup, today she'll come and tell me that not this shade. Like, this is the right product. You know, I got this from there for 200. Like, you're spending too much. Like, now it's a very different thing. But
She's
since
more
then,
of a consultant.
Yeah.
but since then, I have been very protective about her. And till date,
Yeah.
for me, Rashnika is, I very rarely refer to her as my sister-in-law. For
Sister-in-law.
those who don't know who the
Who
two of us
actually
are
she
or who
is,
she
yeah.
is. But
And
For
both
me-
of them look alike to an extent.
yeah, a lot of people have come and told us that we both
Yeah.
look really alike.
Wow.
But one, the good part is that it's not a massive age gap, even though it's 7 years. Because she has an older brother, she's very millennial as a person. She's not very Gen Z. Like, her behavior, her personality. She's an introvert and I'm massively a social butterfly. But between the two of us, we can read each other's moods by now. She knows when I'm having a good day or a bad day. I know when she's having a good day. And I think in things like this, I think it comes from the fact that I love to spoil people.
Okay.
I love spoiling people rotten. And if I love you, I will shower you with affection, with gifts, with small things, big things. And also, I think it's very easy for us to find joy in very tiny things.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Because when nobody was home and my parents would come home and get me, even if it was a small toffee or something, there would be immense amount of joy. Ki, oh my God, this is for me. Or I was home all day and you thought of me and you got me this. So
Whether you eat it or not, that's a different thing.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it all stems, and the observation part also stems from that only, I think.
Yeah,
everything
because you
is
see
just
so
yeah,
much.
So much, yeah.
and you're so good at mediating, you get involved into things. And for that matter, I would also like to add that I think we're very good at catching a vibe of somebody. Like, I can from a mile away hint and tell when Ridhima is having a bad mood, or when Ritvik is not in his zone, or even friends for that matter, not just the people I live with. I can easily catch it because we've done that a lot as a kid.
Yeah.
So if our parents had an argument, or if my friend wasn't talking to me, I had nobody to go and be like, आज उसने मुझसे बात नहीं किया, अभी ना उसको क्या करेंगे ना, रात को उसकी मम्मी के पास उसके
Your
घर जाएंगे.
intuitive powers.
Yeah, ये सब
excel
नहीं
more.
होता है. So I rely on my intuitive powers. I
How about
rely
you?
on my
Yeah,
gut.
absolutely.
power.
So I don't know if this is because we are very smart people, that's why. But I don't know if it's because of that.
Give me a
but,
break,
But
please.
even I can identify people very quickly. As opposed to my best friends who all have siblings. Not all of them. A few of them are very naive when it comes to understanding people and their intentions. तो जल्दी फंस जाते हैं वो लोग.
But this also I don't agree. ऐसा नहीं
No,
कि
that's
सिर्फ single
why
child.
I just mentioned that we're
Yeah,
smart. That's
yeah.
number one. But number two is our intuitive power. Our intuitive powers have always developed because we are very observant. As she said, whether it is mediating between parents or whatever, we mature quickly.
And
That's what happens.
observation, मतलब ये नहीं कि, oh, you got a new table. Oh, that's a new...
No, I'm not saying that.
And I don't mean it in the literal observation sense. I mean it in terms of, again, intangible feelings. Or we are very good at we're very good at reading between the lines, actually. That's the thing.
It's very difficult to explain why. It's just there.
But I
That's
think
how
it
is.
depends on I mean, irrespective of whether you're a single child or you have siblings or whatever, I think it's each individual person's this thing, intuitive power. When
वो
it
तो
comes
है,
to
of
नहीं
course है.
वो सबका
but you
होता
can't
है.
say कि सिर्फ single child होते हैं उनके intuitive
No,
power
no,
is
not
more.
single. I'm not sirf single. I'm saying.
Huh.
I'm
But
saying being
it's
a
just
single
that it's
child.
being a single child helps you rely on your personal
Your
intuitive
gut.
powers.
Your gut.
Because
You have nothing, nobody
you
to
have-
fall
yeah.
fall back
See,
upon.
I'll tell you one very good example over here. Say I like a girl. Ideally, what would I say when you're in that odd age of 13, 14? I'll come home and I'll tell my sibling first, ideally. I will not tell my parents, oh, I like this girl. Huh? Now, that sibling, whatever their age is, whether they're elder or younger, unke akal se they'll tell me something. Unke experience se they'll tell me something. So I am relying on what they said.
Yeah.
I am not using my gut to realize कि यार भाई इसके साथ बात कैसे करूं, ये कैसी होगी यार.
And how about your cousins? I mean, since you don't have any sibling, but wouldn't you share with your cousins?
About this thing.
Yeah,
See, with cousins, it's very different. You don't spend every day with them.
but still,
You don't know. You don't feel. What happens is, I also feel that because you're so single otherwise as a child, you don't feel like sharing everything.
with
Okay?
cousins.
With
We're
cousins
very,
also.
more than feel
well-
like sharing, we're very okay not having to share.
Yeah.
I'm very comfortable. Yes, that's also a personality trait as to how I am as a person. As a person, Rohan may be somebody who, in general, will not tell people how he's feeling. I am like that too. Like I will be upset, or I may be angry, or I may be having the worst day. But if you're a single child, the world will not know what is actually going on in your head because it's only me and the thoughts in my head. And I have never had anybody to talk about it. I've never had anybody to listen to it. So I'm very comfortable being like, "Okay, this is what I'm feeling and I'm just going to give it time."
Yeah. And also think practically. What I'm feeling right now, my cousin may not be there beside me right
Yeah.
now. Whereas
So
there is
having
a
to
high.
call somebody,
Yeah.
unless and until you're living in a joint family,
Yeah,
where there
yeah.
are
That-
bazillion
that's
people living
different.
with you,
Yeah.
is different.
That's a different scenario.
Because I would share more with my cousins who I'm close to rather than my siblings.
Yeah.
Because, see, my brother and sister, they are quite simple people, okay? And I'm, you can say, kind of a brat personality.
बताओ कैसे
She's
चलाओ.
a,
पता
she's
चला।
कैसे
a
चलाओ।
rebel kid.
Yeah.
100%
Yeah.
rebel kid.
So
बताओ चलाओ.
I was I was more closer to my cousins. Like when I met my boyfriend, I shared with my cousin first.
But again, that's because you lived in a very close proximity with all of your
Yeah,
cousins.
Yeah, not in the
Exactly.
same house, but yeah, close proximity.
Yeah, which may not be.
And we were in the same college.
Yeah.
But though my cousin is older to me by 6-7 years, he
And-
was the first one to know.
And that could be with, like, you have siblings and you are closer to your cousins. Maybe if I had a cousin who lived in the same building as I did, or 2 minute ke duri pe, I would probably have that. But I should also
But
have
Abhi,
that
you can
access.
at
no?
least pick up the phone and talk to them. That time we didn't have that facility also.
Yes, we can, but we don't have that
No,
access when you're
no,
kids, right?
No. Yeah.
That access
It
of
doesn't
wanting
happen.
to tell something personal to somebody. One, because you feel that they'll judge you. Because मुझे आज तक किसी ने बोला नहीं है कि ये ऐसे करो या वैसे करो. Unless and until my parents are helping me out with something or telling me to do something a certain way. But किसी ने कभी मुझे बोला नहीं कि what you're feeling is right, wrong, how do I get you out of a situation, how to be more responsible, less responsible. ये चीज़ें कभी बताई नहीं है किसी ने. ये खुद
Yeah,
सीखी है.
probably I was like I have a cousin sister who I'm very close to, and हम लोग कपड़े वगैरह भी share करते थे. Now she lives in the US, but still, if I अभी भी आज भी कुछ मुझे बताना है, तो I'll just pick up the phone and call her and talk
Yeah,
to her.
so with us
but
it's
not
not the
with
case, no,
probably. That doesn't mean that I don't love my siblings. I love them, but probably I'm more closer to her when it comes to talking about any damn thing.
Yeah. And also, it comes from the fact that you've been doing this for over
4 years.
Over a long
20 years
Yeah.
plus.
Yeah. More than that.
Yeah.
See, with
Again,
yeah.
that's not the case.
Yeah, with cousins, what she said is building में होते तो एक बार with cousins ना क्या होता था उस वक्त भी कभी कभी मिलना होता था और वो मिले तो
Exactly.
चलो ना मैकडॉनल्ड्स चलते हैं, चलो ड्राइव पे चलते, we didn't have these गहरे talks.
या फिर गणपति में मिले,
हाँ, हाँ,
साथ में डांस
yeah,
कर लिया या
yeah.
टाइम पास. लाइक आई हैव अ सिस्टर हु लिव्स इन गोरेगांव, बट I was never very very close to her as somebody who would share. But yeah, when we hung out, we had a damn good time. And also, I am somebody who can hang out with even a tree and have a very good time. But that's my personality is also like that कि
Yeah.
मैं किसी के साथ भी जेल कर सकती हूँ, मैं सबके साथ बात कर सकती हूँ, मुझे बोर नहीं होता है
Yeah.
to talk to anybody. It's easy access.
But
But wanting to choose to call up my cousin and be like, oh, you know, today in school somebody bullied me, today this happened, that happened.
yeah.
No.
maybe होता होगा कई लोगों के साथ,
Probably,
but with us
but
it
Maybe
didn't
our
happen.
generation, probably.
नहीं
Because I have so many friends that
ऐसे कुछ
I
नहीं.
don't
No,
think
I
it's
know
a
a lot of
generation
I know a few only children who are very close to their cousins. It's also because that the family ecosystem is such.
हाँ.
आना जाना है रोज का.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, that way also
Yeah.
it happens.
Yeah, we were brought up together.
Yeah.
So
Like,
together is not in the same house, but we would meet almost every day.
Yeah.
Because we were staying in
Now,
Villaparle
I have
and,
become
yeah.
very close to one of my cousins.
Huh.
Now I'm very close to my cousin brother because we met at a wedding and we really hit it off.
Yeah, that happens later, no?
और
Yeah.
अभी now I'm very protective about him, very possessive about
Yeah,
him.
yeah, same.
But बचपन में अगर हम मिलते ज्यादा तो 100% he would be, but again he wouldn't be a brother, he would be a bestie.
Okay.
It doesn't come from a place where ए मेरा भाई है, like you're no.
But
There is
what was the
still-
turning point, like when you got close to him? On
Sometimes it's just the right time. I
It's
feel
yeah,
like.
it was just that we were all at an age now where I can finally consider somebody who I can talk to comfortably.
Yeah.
One
and confide in.
and confide in. Moreover, age gap ज़्यादा नहीं होता तो it's better because we can talk to somebody who's 2, who's 40, who's 5. It doesn't matter. But I should also be able to gel with somebody. No, it's a two-way street.
But I think this also comes from the fact that our personalities are very extroverted, no?
Yeah.
We are very friendly and warm,
100%.
and our parents have also brought up in that. But I know a few of single children who have gone wasted. Really, that's the case. Because
They're
उनको
very
ज़्यादा ही
introvert.
pamper किया and they feel like, oh, I own everything. ये सब मेरा है. तुम जो they become rebels in the wrong way.
Yeah. So
That also
probably
happens.
it depends upon the
नाक में
situation
दम
in the.
कहते हैं, नाक में
But
दम कर
a
रखा
lot
है.
of it on how you are. See, all of this at a higher level, if you see, it's all a play of nature versus nurture.
Yeah. Correct.
तो तुम सिंगल हो, तुम डबल हो, तुम
Yeah.
ट्रिपल हो, क्वाड्रपल, कुछ भी हो.
I agree with that.
A lot of it is also nature versus nurture. I was raised to be somebody के my parents raised me with very logical reasoning, and at times it was very irritating कि हर चीज में मुझे logic नहीं जानना है.
Yeah, yeah.
But it was very simple. You are only one. Tomorrow, if I'm not there, or she is not there, or X is not there, how are you going to figure it out?
Yeah, yeah.
So every situation was dealt with. कोई नहीं है. I have to do this. I have to win it. I have to ace it because I have to be able to do it for myself.
Myself.
And I have to be able to live with that decision.
And even take up responsibilities of other people in the house because
Yes.
parents are going to age, they are rather.
Yes.
That's one thing. And Surbhi, if you are okay with discussing, you went through a very hard time last
Yes,
year.
I
with
did.
Mom's, this thing.
My parents met with an accident in Sri Lanka while they were on vacation, and my mother now has a spinal cord injury. And yeah, I think in times like that, when there's a crisis, I would have wished that कोई तो हो जिससे मैं बस बोल सकती हूँ ये figure out कर ले.
Yeah.
I will figure
I'll
these
figure
things
these
out.
things. Even financially, that's what we should think about.
Financially ho, just to maybe just want to sit with somebody. I don't want
Yeah,
to talk,
I know.
but I just want to sit.
Yeah.
And I want to probably
Hold
get a
hand
Coke.
maybe, yeah.
And I want to probably just have a Sprite and just sit and be
I
like,
know,
okay, you
I
know
know.
what? I don't want to talk, but just be here. That that has not been the case.
The case,
so
yeah.
it's a little hard to then, and we don't like asking for help. So you
We
should
do
just
for- yeah.
know if I'm having a bad day.
That's not the first thing on our list.
Yes.
To ask for
Like
help.
I will not, if I need help, I will never tell Ritvik or mom or Rashnika or my parents ke I'm in this fix, can you come help me? I'll first sit and analyze, make my own SWOT analysis ki ye karna hai, wo karna hai, how do I do this, yes, and then I'll be like, okay, listen, I have no way out and I have to ask. But it
अब
eats,
किसको पूछें? That's
but
the
it
question.
eats me up on the inside to have to ask
You
for
have
help.
to ask for help.
it doesn't come with a lot of grace or very easily that
Simple things about, you want someone to drive halfway.
yeah.
Just simple things, small things what happen in crises like this I'm talking
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
When it is about assuming responsibility. But we have already grown up, very matured. That's also one thing. We
Yeah,
know that
we-
fact. From
yeah,
tiny bits of handling parental conflicts to making food, or if mom or dad, either of them are sick, then taking their responsibility. It happens
And
that
also
way.
being involved in decision making is
Decision
something
making,
that's taught to us
absolutely.
very early
Very
on.
early, yeah.
Like I was a part of all the decision making.
पर
Maybe
किसी से
not.
पूछना भी नहीं है, ये चलेगा ना, ये नहीं चलेगा ना, no, it's you.
Yeah, like my parents will trust what I have to say. I will trust what my parents are saying because that's how it is.
Yeah.
And I don't know any other way of doing
Correct,
a certain
correct.
thing.
That's
If
the
I've
good
done
thing about
something,
Yeah, but like when it comes to me, when it's a decision making thing, I'll involve everyone.
yeah.
Huh, that's there, of
because
course.
I want to take everyone's opinion and then form my opinion because
Yeah,
I
but-
could be wrong in decision making. So I feel that सबका लेते हैं opinion and then choose
बट वो
the-
हर चीज के लिए नहीं होगा ना. आप ये भी सोचोगे कि अच्छा चलो मैं इस बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ 4 लोगों के साथ, भले वो घर के लोग हों या बाहर के लोग हों. इट्स नॉट एवरी डिसीजन दैट यू विल कम टू एवरीबडी एंड डिस्कस. नॉट एवरी सिंगल डिसीजन.
not every say but the
But
most
majority of the people
yeah,
are like
most
that.
of
Yes.
See, now in 2023, the first time I took my parents to Europe. That was the first time I took them. Okay. I didn't have to ask my sibling that ये country चलेगी ना, ये चलेगा ना, ये ऐसे itinerary.
Or more than that,
We
I don't
just
think you
relied.
had to ask anybody ki how do I do this? How do we plan? How do we
Yeah.
go? You just get it done.
They were like dependent on me. They're like, whatever you want to do, you do it for us. I completely made up as in made the itinerary and everything, and it was done. It was so simple. ऐसे नहीं हुआ था अरे मुझे यहाँ जाना था but my siblings said no, let's go there. That didn't happen.
तो also we're very, I feel like we're very good task masters. काम दे दोगे हो जाएगा. आके नहीं पूछो कि कैसे करोगे, क्या बोला है, it will be done. Leave the rest, it will be done. Because it's been like that. If my parents said कि we have people coming at 4, something as simple as just ensure that the house is clean. मैं ऐसे बैठ के नहीं बोल सकती तू टेबल साफ के लिए थोड़ा यहाँ पे खुद करना पड़ता है सब. तो फटाफट काम निपटा लेते हैं. We look to how to get things done. एकदम फटाफट.
Yeah.
Easy fixes, getting things done so
But
that
I think
you have
again
Without
that-
too much machar also. Like,
Oh.
without too much talking.
no
and whatnot.
नहीं वो लेकिन वो मचड़ भी अच्छी लगती है ना
कभी
कभी
कभी, not always.
कभी
Yeah.
but
Not
for
always.
us it's not always.
It's-
Like we would rather
I mean the house feels so lively with that machad also no.
No.
Sabhi- yeah,
Depends
I
on
mean-
what that machar is.
Yeah,
it
depends
on
upon
what
that, yeah.
it is. And also because of that we're very comfortable doing something by ourselves. Like आपसे नहीं हो रहा है मैं कर लूंगी, कोई बात नहीं है. नहीं चाहिए help. और I will also not go and tell you कि अच्छा ये will you figure this out, will you do that, will you do this. I have done these things. Is it possible for you to do this? If not, I can do it very well by myself.
Yeah.
But do you sulk then कि अरे
No. Because I'm used to it.
Yeah,
you?
we used to. We have gone through that phase at some point.
Yeah, कि अरे
Abhi,
हाँ,
and
सब
then when
मुझे
you look
करना
back,
है.
you're like, what nonsense we were sulking about, that it just happens. But at the same time, it also it's a triggering thing that okay, as parents are getting older, you're also gonna get older, and that draining of emotions and longing of having, because with age, I feel like the connection is even more with siblings. Because at the end of the day you're the same blood, and what happens is when you know that your parents are not going to be there in this world, you feel like अरे मेरा कोई तो होना चाहिए.
yeah
That thing is there no matter what.
yeah
I don't know, Surbhi is saying that she doesn't feel it
I
that way,
don't
but I
feel it
sometimes
that
feel
way.
like
no I
that-
feel
I feel like if I didn't if I had a sibling and they wanted to get married, then I wouldn't get married. I would have been like taken care
No,
of
for
his
me,
family and
for me
everything.
now that I have gone through something very hard in the past year, my perspective on a lot of things has changed. Like how I look at life then versus how I look at life now. And that has nothing to do with me just being the only kid. But also having said that, 90% of the decision making was left to me. Because there is nobody to figure it out. Luckily I had my aunt who was very hands-on and she was there throughout. But it's my parents at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So a lot of the decision making and hard decisions like surgery करें या ना
ना
करें,
करे.
हम ये फिगर आउट करें, हम अब ट्रैवल करें या ना करें. These are all decision making things that only are like I am the person that people rely on or come to me with, like for example condolences messages or conversations on, you know, ke, oh how are things, how are you feeling. I will never be able to tell you how I'm feeling about something,
Correct.
and you don't have anybody to be like अरे यार ये phone कर रहा है बात कर ले, like just give some reason or say something. तो it becomes a pain in the ass at times कि हर चीज़ मुझे ही करना है, मैं ही उठूँ, मैं ही पानी लेके आऊँ, या मैं ही फ़ोन करूँ, या मैं ही ये करूँ, कोई है ही नहीं. So in times like this, yes. I want to have somebody.
Yeah.
But for me, even if that somebody is a friend, I'm okay.
So
I don't as such only need a brother or a sister.
I so relate to that. So there is this constant dwindle between हाँ ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, अरे नहीं ऐसा है तो भी ठीक है. But I think this conversation will never stop otherwise,
Yeah, I
because
know.
we have a lot of things to share. But it's time actually that it
I didn't even realize.
realize,
that
yeah,
we've
because
spoken,
that's what
so much.
happens. But that was a fun conversation, Surbhi. I felt like चलो कोई तो है who understands what I go through.
No, but speaking of that, what would you tell your younger self?
My youngest, with regards to sibling thing.
Yeah, just now you, yeah, obviously, I mean, since you're the only one,
No, I would
when
just
you
tell.
look back,
No, I would just tell him that don't come to conclusions that quick. Do get on the field, know your facts, and only then come to conclusions. Don't abruptly judge something as yes or no. You know, learn more about it, talk to people, take advice, and then come to a conclusion.
right?
Because you lose a lot of opportunities and connections because of that drastic decision making. You know, so I would just tell my younger self that there is so much to see and learn in this world. What are you fixated on some trivial things?
True that.
way?
Yep.
That's all I would say. So you want to end it, Ridhima? Because you didn't get a lot of
No,
chance
no.
to speak over here. I think you can.
Unfortunately,
There are many
Rohan
things
and
I
I-
didn't agree upon, but I let you speak. ठीक है,
Yeah.
चलो.
Chalo.
So I really wanted to have this conversation without a map.
हाँ, जो है actually. हाँ.
and I think today
and
you
it
also
went-
learnt so much about how life has been for a only child versus when you have siblings.
अच्छा, if you say so.
Well,
All right. Thank you,
right.
listeners. Thank you for being, maybe, I hope not the only child over here listening to us. I hope you're listening to it in groups. So thank you so much again. And we'll be back with another interesting guest in the next episode. Till then, keep listening to
Talks without a map.